You give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby, trust in me. When you give your heart to me, I no go let you go. Where I no go do you, basa basa, baby, trust in me. I go do your body like skin tight.
Hello guys, it's your girl Ikea and welcome to my channel Road Natural. Today I'll be doing a tutorial on this bun. Why is my background moving? We will make it, guys. We'll make it. Stop moving. Okay, so I decided to make this bun. I learned it from another YouTuber whose name will be linked somewhere in the screen. It doesn't matter the length or density of your hair, you can fake it. We are faking it so we make it, girls. We are faking it. Also, don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video with a friend, and I hope you enjoyed this video.
Turn me down. It's hard time you fell in love. The right one, don't you turn me down. Nobody there, money bono. Nobody there, money bono. Nobody there, nobody there, nobody there, money bono.
Yeah, ring ring at the bell, you know the biz me. You still got the ring.
So for the hair itself, you are going to take the center of your hair. Yes, you're going to take the center of your hair, twist the ends, and put the donuts inside the hair. You put the hair inside the donuts, yes, and then you're going to secure it with a hair tie. Now, the trick with this hair is that you want to do it on stretched hair. It's easier on stretched hair, but I don't use comb, so this is how stretched I can get my hair without combs. That's why you see me finger detangling a lot. I'm trying to pull the hair. So you're going to pull the ends, twist the end, and then you're going to loosely, very loosely secure it in the center of the donut. Now you're doing it loosely because the looser it is, the puffier or bigger it looks, and then the tighter you do it, the smaller the bun would be. So that's just the trick here. You just twist the ends and then you very loosely tuck it into the center of your donuts. Now you have to be careful to be very even on both sides. You don't want to pack the hair at one side, and that's basically it. Now with the donuts, you can use whatever size of donuts you want depending on the length or density of your hair. So the shorter your hair, or the shorter your hair, the smaller the donuts you are going to use, and then the longer your hair, the bigger the donuts you are going to lose. That's simply it. That's what I mean when I say every hair length or density can do this style. The trick is in the donuts and then how loosely you do it. You know I can't do my edges, so this is what I can do with it, and these are my results. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share with a friend, like, and leave a comment in the comment section. Bye.
Onamita machula, onamita machula, onamita machula.